Hello everyone, my name is Jim Nora. I'm with Tomahawk Power, and today I'm here to talk to you about our portable generator sets. What makes Tomahawk generators stand out? 3 reasons why Tomahawk generators stand out. Number 1, the quality of the products themselves, the unique features, whether it's the sound attenuation, the EFI technology, among others. The team behind it, the warranty. So you got a 2-year commercial grade warranty with all of our generator engines, 1-year total product warranty on top of that. And then number 3, budget-friendly pricing without sacrificing on that quality. Are Tomahawk generators safe for sensitive electronics? Short answer, yes, absolutely. But I would highly recommend you go with the Tomahawk inverter style generators, which are absolutely rated for sensitive electronics. So that could mean sensitive electronics in a corded power tool on a job site. It could mean powering a laptop or other electronics in a home or home backup application or on a campsite. I would strongly not recommend a standard non-inverter style generator for running sensitive electronics. Over time, that will damage those electronics and potentially damage the generator itself. What are some safety tips I should know about generators? First and foremost, never run a generator in a closed environment. You want proper airflow. You never want to run a generator or any type of engine indoors. That can lead to poisoning and even death. So that's number 1. Also, make sure you're using the proper fuel, your standard unleaded gasoline. The higher the octane, the better. Make sure you're using your proper 4-stroke engine oil. You're going to want to avoid overloading your generator as well. We do have some safety features built into the units, including ground fault current interrupters, often referred to as GFCIs. This is a critical safety feature. If you're ever going to be working with the generator near water, I definitely recommend you go with a brand that has GFCIs built into their units. All of Tomahawk Power's models have that built in. Basically what that does is if it senses an electrical leak in the circuit, which can happen if you're working in or around water, and that will kill the engine to stop the electricity from flowing. There have been cases in the past with other brands of generators that didn't have that feature and someone ends up getting electrocuted. So that's what that feature is for. What's the warranty and service coverage for Tomahawk generators? Every Tomahawk generator comes with a 2-year commercial engine warranty, 1-year total product warranty. We have authorized service centers in all 50 states here in the US and most of the Canadian provinces. These are commercial grade warranties, as I mentioned, so these things are built to run from dusk till dawn, or dawn till dusk, either way, day in and day out on a professional job site. So there are no residential or 90-day type of warranties that some other cheaper brands put out there. These are definitely commercial grade products with an industry-leading warranty behind them. Still have questions or ideas for future videos? Be sure to leave them in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.